Alright there folks, shwmae gyfeillion. Wel, edrychaf bod dwi wedi darganfod y boteli. Looks like I found a bottle here, somewhere nearby. Let me just get in, get myself comfortable. Yeah, mae rhaid I fi bod y mor cyfforddus. Rwy'n ta. Mae yna rhywbeth gwerth yma mi. Gobeithio. Gobeithio os mae hwn yn boteli go iawn. Siwr o fod. Oh yes, I hope this will be the one I'm looking for. The one and only. Yes. Okay, I have to be very careful so long as it doesn't break. Oh, unwaith eto another nail. Yep, nail yma. A wedyn, yeah. Okay, mae rhaid I fi gwared around. Get the fence allan. Yeah. Yep. Alright there folks. Rowan, this is the moment. I must get rid of that. Cranky, there's a rock hidden. Here we go. Oh, some creepy crawlies hidden. That looks like a very nice bottle coming up. Yep. Woo! Shit, fucking hell, there's a bee. A real bee, and here's a creepy crawly worm crawling out of nowhere. Oh, here comes the worm, very angry, wondering what am I doing. Yep. Well, what am I doing? I'm just trying to dig out that bottle. This could be the one and only. Oh, this is very historical. Will I die digging it out? Or will I fall back? Oh wow. This is very historical indeed. Yes. Get rid of some of those items. Come on. Here we go. Out you go, worm. Yep. Os dwi wedi cael cyfle. Looks like there's a wine bottle dug underneath. Edrychaf bod mae hwn yn boteli gwyn. Dyma pam mae'r boteli hwn yn werth. Felly, I wish the bees and flies would leave me alone. Yeah, a problem yw, yn y Gwanwyn, yn ystod mis Gwanwyn, neu y tymor Gwanwyn, mae gynddyn nhw bees. Wedi dechrau dod nhw at y bywyd. Yup. Okay, this is the moment. Come on. Will I find luck? Or what I need? Okay, come on. Here we go, come on. Here we go. Wow, yes. Wow. Gwych. First hunt of the day. Found a bottle. This really made my day. Gwych. Mae rhaid I fi glannu hyn. I'm gonna have to clean this up. I'll keep that. Yep. This is a finest relic of the day. Dyna ni, dyma'r boteli gwerdd. Na chdi, ti'n gweld hyn? Del, yndi. Dyna'r bohar. Na'n bohar, mae'r dy bohar os y gwydir. Yfeg, egan, yfeg. Dyna'r yfegeg. Os y sip yfegeg. Os y noed yfeg. Noed zöld yfeg. Hormint, Hormint, not van hart, 6 centiliter, 80 millimeter. Sain os nem nodion hoed mondiag a modiorw clean. Oes mared hoed mondiag a modiorw clean. Os o'n oed segyd si, gyson Rwan tawn o at y Cymraeg. Wel, dwi wedi treang fy nghora I trio glannu boteli hwn. Dwi'n meddwl mae hwn yn boteli ar gyfer port neu Miranda neu boteli ar gyfer Miranda. Waw. Mae hwn yn boteli del iawn, pradferth, yndi. Oes, dwi'n siŵr iawn bod y Belgaid wedi creu rhywbeth arbennig fel y port. Dwi ddim yn ffeindio unrhyw ffordd sut ti glannu hwn oddi mewn hyn. Dwi wedi trio defnyddio tipyn o brwsiodanedd, ond dydy brwsiodanedd dim cweit o'n trwedd I mewn I glannu hyn. Dwi'n meddwl mae hwn yn cymryd amser I glannu nhw I gyd. Well, I suppose I have to try again. Dolan, meg dolalwm, hoed meg trinaliwg os övegfon. Dar jo, bezoin ac imadwm. Jo, fislat. Remilen hoed detzed o fideo. Savastog. Gobeithio wnes di mwynhau'r fideo. Ta-ta.